Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the homepage of this channel. Thank you. Good morning. It is Thursday. You know, days like this, you kind of get all mixed up. I've got my lunchbox here, and we're going to figure out what we're going to take. Well, I already set it out. I got 2 burgers for breakfast. I'm taking 2 burgers for lunch. I'm taking my jerky, because that'll be good to nibble on. I'm taking these. This flavor is the spicy sweet chili, so I'll have those available. I'm taking my cheese. I didn't eat this yesterday, but I'll take it again. And I've got an apple. This apple's got a little, it looks like a little blister kind of thing at the bottom. Yes, I know it's probably not good, but I'll eat around it. And I'm gonna stick it in a bag, so that way if it gets punctured or something, it's not all up against my other food. And so yes, I am. Oh wait, I got those little bags that I brought. Hold on. Hey, I forgot. I brought some extra of these little Ziploc bags. So let's see if it fits in there. Then, like I said, that way if it gets smushed or something, it's contained. So I would tell you what I was going to do today, but the agenda, they have us download an app, and so what we do then is we use the app, and then it tells us what room we're in and where we go. And so they even have games on it. I don't play the games. This year I didn't. A couple of years ago I did. It was like you had to meet different people, and then you had to check in at so many vendors, and they give away good prizes. Like they've given away iPads and stuff like that. So let me show you the condition of my room as of this moment still. So there's my bed. I got my purse on it, and over there, still have my stuff there, and my stuff just grows. So I got my blanket. I got to remember to take that with me, and that little white bag, that's where I put like my dirty underwear and stuff, my dirty socks and underwear and all that good stuff. Got to keep that contained. And then over there, that's right there, that's my pajamas. I don't know what, oh, that's pink underwear, sorry. Anyway, and then my lunch, the big cooler that I brought my food in is there. But, yeah. Oh, well, how about I go show you the bathroom? Yeah. I'm keeping you this way because when I flip it, that's whenever there's issues with my phone. This is why I don't want the poor hotel people to come in and see my mess, because I got it all scattered. Well, what are they going to do? They're going to have to move everything and knock things over. And it's not that I don't trust them or anything, but whenever I take up so much space, look at that roll of paper. Yeah, I told you I use this when I poop. I had a real good poop this morning, and I know you've been worrying about me pooping. I pooped really good this morning. Anyway, I wonder if it's because I had 2 apples. Note for, hey, future Terry, see what happens if you eat 2 apples. See if you have a good poop on that day, or if it's just because you're on a road trip. All right, interesting. But yeah, so I don't want the poor housekeeper to have to come in and clean up this mess, because, you know, when I leave, I'll take it all with me and it'll all be there for her. Let's see. I could show you what I'm wearing today. Let me see if I can show you. I have this shirt, and it's a thrift store shirt. And then dress pants, black dress pants. I wear these a lot. And then I got these I got at Torrid. I love these boots. They fit really good. I actually ordered another pair in this next size down. But anyway, so that's how it's going so far. And it's about 6:45, so I'm going to head on down to the conference and see if I can get us a good table. Okay, bye. So they've got this yummy looking fruit. Let's see. This one is scrambled eggs.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
You ready?
You're ready, thank you.
Okay.
I'm just peeking.
We're just trying to figure out what's here. Thank you.
Yeah, sausage.
Sausage.
Bacon.
Yum. Oh, yes. bacon and biscuits. So I'm gonna go back and maybe get a little something, and I'll show you what I get. And they have those pretty danishes. So I got.
Sleep apnea is a bad disease.
Yes. I ended up getting 2 burgers and some cheese.
Those little sleeps like that.
And then some bacon and a sausage and some fruit. And that's my breakfast table.
So thank you for folks in the education community being here and working with us. Also, friends from primary and acute care, our partners in that continuum of care, thank you for being here. It really is great to see everyone gathering to kind of discuss these critical behavioral health issues and advances in the field and how we can be better together. Importantly, welcome to everyone from our MPHC member agencies and staff. We are so glad you're here. It's an honor to work for you. Yesterday we had 5 pre-conferences, the most we've ever had. So we had Youth, SUD, Physician Institute, Behavioral Health, Intellectual Disabilities, and our data pre-conference. Over 400 people attended those, so almost as much as attended our first ever conference. So really incredible, important sessions.
Bring yourself back. And at the same time, we are now in a place in popular culture where self-care is talked about a lot. I'm going to put this down here so it doesn't look like I'm endorsing something. But it's talked about as something that we should do for ourselves. It's talked about in a context that says, hey, this is the thing you have to take time to do for yourself, like a spa day, that kind of thing, you know? But I come to believe that actually taking care of yourself is really the only thing that gives you the opportunity to take care of others. And so many of you are in the work of taking care of others. I thought it might be a good theme. The best way for me to begin this story is to tell you about my very first day at the VA.
Health centers. Actually, Jill Taylor, I'm such an honor that you came. She's the director of our community health program. I've had community health workers just keep my patients alive. And who wants to share?
Working on my jerky. It's looking like lunch is like a salad, like a build your own salad. So I see chicken and beef and lettuce and toppings for a salad. It'll be too hard to show you guys. But the line, because there's 900 people here, so with the line, I won't necessarily be able to show you everything. Hey, good. But I will be able to tell you what all is on it. So I can show you some veggies and stuff that'll be on it.
I'm gonna talk back to you though. Okay.
Some cheeses up there. Multiple kinds of cheeses. So I'll show you my salad when it's done. This is this end of the table of the salad building. So you saw the options, and that's what I ended up with. It's a big old fluffy salad with a heck of a lot of dressing. I'll probably still eat 2 of my burgers. So I will still eat my 2 burgers, and for dessert I will have my apple. I did finish off my jerky.
Mental health facilities where people could still live and be active parts of communities in almost all cases. Well, the country did an incredible job of closing those facilities. If states ever did anything well, it was closing those facilities, assuming that was a well thing to do. You know, the rest of the 60s and almost all the 70s, those facilities generally closed all over the country.
So hey, things are going good, and I had a big old lunch. Obviously, you saw how big my plate was, and I did it, and I enjoyed it. Suzanne and I are talking about going to a Goodwill, local Goodwill, after the conference. We both, you know, I shop at the thrift store, and she said she likes to travel thrift. I'd never heard of such a thing, so we're talking about seeing if we can track it down after this. But I'm having, after the time's in there, is, I think it's like 140, 145-ish, and I'm having a coffee. I've got about that much half and half in it, and then a little bit of Splenda, and that's what I'm sipping on now. And I will keep you updated on what we do for supper. So they have t-shirts for sale. Whew, his hair. They have t-shirts for sale, and it says Missouri Behavioral Health Conference. Sorry, Missouri. And then look at the back. I forgot what it says. I can't read it. I ain't gonna take it off to show you, but yeah. So hopefully editing Terry will type what it says, because I can't see it from this angle. Ooh, I could take a picture, but nah. Anyway, so yeah, I got this t-shirt, and so I put my jeans on and my tennis shoes. So first off, y'all, this is still a medium. Never in all my life, this is a medium shirt. Let me tell you something. 338-pound Terry. If I could have a conversation with you, 338-pound Terry, don't give up. And for those of you who are at that stage, don't give up. You can do this. Oop, my phone's sliding down. Hang on. You can do this. If I can do this with all my binging and my addiction and all my problems that I've had, if I can do this, you can do this too. This is not a death sentence. You know, taking time to focus on your own self-health, you guys, it's totally worth it. To be able to walk up to a vendor and be like, is this women's cut or is it unisex? It's unisex. I'll take a medium. To be able to say that after being obese my whole life, I probably ain't wore a medium since I was 8 years old. You guys, don't give up on yourself. It will be so worth it, I promise you. Just don't give up. Okay, I'm gonna go because we are gonna go to the Goodwill, and then we're gonna go eat somewhere. I don't know where. We'll see. Okay, bye. I am at my very first bins. This is a thrift store, and it's all bins. And you just dig through the bins, and the price will be by the weight of whatever you buy. Like I have some stuff down the way. And anyway, all kinds of stuff, and you just have to dig. It's like such a hodgepodge of things. I'll show you what I buy when I get to the. So I see something like this, and look, this is somebody's grandmother worked really hard on this quilt, or somebody spent a fortune on this quilt, and look how pretty it is. And I ain't gonna take it because I don't want to take it home, but that kind of thing just makes me sad. Look at that nice, beautiful quilt, and somebody just tossed it into the donate pot. Okay, here it is again. All these bins, and it's for sale by weight. So I'm at Applebee's, and I had a salad, and this is a bourbon street steak, and man, is it good. I was so hungry I forgot to tell y'all. Listen, I can't show you all the things that I bought because we left them down in her car. We had to leave them in her car because I didn't want to haul them up here and then try to pack them all again tomorrow. But I got, I don't know, I think it was like a pair of jeans and a couple shirts and a leather jacket. And I got a couple things like decorations for the house. But you're just going to have to wait for another video for me to show you. But it was really cool. I've never been to it was like a Goodwill outlet warehouse, something or other. So when things don't sell at another warehouse, they send them to there. And it was all these bins. I would say the bins themselves, I guess you can't really tell how deep I'm showing you, can I? They were probably about 2 feet deep. And but they were raised. So it was really weird. You just start digging and digging. And then you work your way all the way around. There was just so much stuff. They even had broken glass in a box. But anyway, but Suzanne found a cool robot vacuum cleaner. Anyway, but it's by the weight. So you wheel your cart onto the scale, and and then they tell you how much it was. I know it was $25. Like one was this real pretty, like it was like a wooden star painted, and then there was a big sign. It was like all the gifts, like peace, joy, love. Anyway, a long sign. It was fun little. It was just this little pumpkin-headed man, and his body was made out of a candy corn. It was a wooden thing, just something I can put up at work for the fall, just something fun and different. I got some bins. They're about, I know, once again, you can't see what I'm saying. They're probably about 1 foot by 2 foot, and then probably about, I don't know, 6-8 inches deep. I don't know why I need them, but I just felt like I needed them in my life. So anyway, and like I said, a couple shirts and a pair of jeans, but you can't try anything on, and you don't want to. I mean, I did try the jacket on, and I had Suzanne look at it. It's a really nice leather jacket. I don't know if it's real leather or faux leather, but anyway, so we did that, and then so then for supper, we went to an Applebee's. You just can't go wrong in an Applebee's. I got a Bourbon Street steak, and instead of a vegetable, I had a side salad. And but it comes with sauteed onions and mushrooms, so it was delicious. And it is, come on, 8:43. So I'm going to hurry up and get this video uploaded and hope I can get it edited before bed. And then that way I can get it ready to go Thursday, Friday. So for Saturday morning, this is your Saturday. So anyway, yeah, so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to hop in the shower right quick and take a quick shower so that way I don't have to in the morning. Always thinking ahead. So, but I'm not going to wash my hair because I washed it this morning. So I'm just going to do a from the neck down shower. So, all right, I will see you, and I'll show you the stuff that I bought in a future video whenever I get home and get it all washed and unpacked. Okay? I get to see my puppies tomorrow. I'm so excited. Okay, bye.